TikTok, so I'm back with another makeup tutorial kind of thing. There's construction going on in the house opposite me. I will have new neighbors, so excuse that because they're making a lot of noise. But yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, get into it. Yeah, okay.
I'm back, said that you know that I'm back. It's Kim with a smoke, so you know I'll attack. I ain't foodie, cause you tryna be me. Don't talk about my age when your man's on my page. You call me ugly, but I got a small tummy. Subscribe, like right now, subscribe. Subscribe to become a royal.
Well, what are you doing? Period.
I use shea butter on my face. Recently, I stopped using concealer, so I'll go straight into powder. So I did kind of like pluck my brows like last week, so they kind of look better, but I'm just gonna outline them and I'll be back. Next is freaking blush. Do never ever, don't play with blush, don't play with her. Next is mascara. Yeah. JoJo on my shirt, we gonna make it work. That means on me too. Yeah. Come and get your girl. She been trying to flirt, so I thought that way. Well, wait. Whoa. I'm gonna line my lips because I need it. I need it. Hop now. Jewelry shopping. Girl, you shining. Girl, you fine again. You fine. I don't think that's what you want to keep, because he give me bread like every other week. I smoke on this weed and I told him to leave. That's all that I need. When I see him in public, I don't even speak. And if he has to, baby, you like we're running with me. Next is lipstick, and ignore how it looked. It been through a lot, like. And they can't even tell the real from the fake. I wish him well. This song already was turned, but here's a bell. Next, my lip gloss. It been through a lot as well, so. I don't even feel like doing my hair today, so let's just like brush it out. So no filter of like the makeup look. I really like this look. I usually don't like myself in makeup, but I think it turned out pretty cute. But if you enjoyed this video, follow me if you're not already following me. Like and comment if you want more videos like this. And if you like this video, my hair is so due, but I love you guys. I don't know, I look pretty, I think so, but yeah, get into it. Yeah, I don't know, I'm so crazy.